Welcome back. The first quarter of 2026 is really heating up in the world of real estate crowdfunding. We're seeing some amazing instant cashback offers and projects promising returns of over 20%. So today, we're going to break down exactly where the best opportunities are. Let's get right into it.
You know, the big question on every investor's mind is always, where's the next big opportunity? Well, if you're on the hunt for high-yield returns in real estate, you have come to the right place. We've sifted through all the latest updates to bring you the insights you can actually use.
So here's our game plan. We're going to start with instant investor perks for some immediate bonuses. Then we'll fire up the high-yield project radar to find the most lucrative deals out there. After that, we'll check out which platforms are just crushing it with new milestones. And finally, we'll give you an insider's peek at what's coming next for the industry.
Okay, let's kick things off with what I like to call the low-hanging fruit. These are the tactical bonuses and cashback campaigns that can give your portfolio an immediate boost with, honestly, minimal effort. So what's the best immediate offer on the table right now? It's this number right here, 5%. That's the top instant cashback bonus available from Indemo.eu, thanks to their Hello Spring campaign. I mean, what a fantastic way to get a little extra kick on your investment from day one. And the best part is how simple these boosts are to claim. Along with Indemo's awesome cashback, Profitus is offering up to an extra 1% annual interest just by using a simple code. These are quick, tactical moves you can make right now to beef up your returns. All right, now that we've covered those quick wins, let's get to the main event, the high-yield projects. This, my friends, is where the potential for some really significant returns is hiding.
24%. Just let that number sink in for a moment. No, that is not a typo. This is the highest potential total return we are seeing on the market right now, and it's all coming from one very, very exciting project.
And the platform behind this incredible number? That would be Sego Finance, operating out of Spain. They're definitely getting a lot of attention, not just for high-return real estate, but also for getting into some pretty creative sectors.
So the really crucial point here is that this 24% return is tied to a luxury villa development in Casares, right on the beautiful Costa del Sol. But what does this tell us about investor appetite right now? Well, to understand the momentum behind Sego Finance, just look at their other recent project. They fully funded a live medieval combat show called Colosseum in just 5 hours. 5. This shows a super engaged and active investor base that's ready to jump on unique opportunities.
But of course, it's not just about one single project. We're seeing a really diverse range of high-yield opportunities all across Europe. Fellow Funders is offering an incredible 20.14% IRR, that's internal rate of return, a key metric for profitability, on an agricultural project in Spain. On the shorter side of things, Tessin has a townhouse project in Sweden with a 13% annual return over just 7 months. And you've also got strong double-digit returns from Razors in Spain and a really unique senior living project near Gibraltar from Let's Invest. The main takeaway here is, whether you're looking for long-term growth or quicker returns, the options are absolutely out there.
High returns are fantastic, right? But they need to be backed by strong, stable, and innovative platforms. So let's shift our focus to the health of the companies that are actually powering these investments.
200 million euros. That is the massive, massive milestone that Wallians just flew past in raised capital. And look, this isn't just a vanity metric, it's a really powerful signal of investor trust and the platform's long-term stability. It just shows this is a mature platform with a proven track record.
And you can see that momentum all across the board, from the strong start these platforms have had in 2026. Cameo in Sweden funded almost 140 million Swedish kroner in February alone. That's a huge jump from January. Meanwhile, Profitus funded over 6 million euros in a single month. This chart makes it pretty clear. This is an active and growing market.
Beyond just funding, we're seeing some fantastic innovation in platform technology. Take Razor's new Smart Invest tool. It's a dead simple 3-step process. You set your investment criteria, you activate it, and boom, it automatically invests for you. In just 3 weeks, it's already been activated over 180 times. This is a total game changer for building a diversified portfolio without having to stare at your screen 24/7.
And the innovation isn't just technological, it's also strategic. Here we see 2 major French platforms, WeSeed and Onexago, carving out really distinct niches for 2026. WeSeed is focusing on green health innovations, which is a clear nod to the growing demand for impact investing. At the same time, Onexago is doubling down on high-opportunity private equity for French tech startups. This shows the market is really maturing and specializing. Okay, for our final section, let's pull out the crystal ball and take a look at the events, trends, and headlines that are shaping the future of this industry.
For any serious investors out there, the place to be this March is MIPIM in Cannes. It's one of the biggest real estate events in the world, and it's where the key deals get made. Top platforms like Razors, Welcome, and Ambra Capital are all going to be there, making it a prime opportunity for networking and getting direct insights into their strategies for the year.
Now this is a trend we should all be watching. This quote, highlighted by Sego Finance and Forbes, points to a massive rise in female investors. And this isn't just some interesting statistic. It's a huge demographic shift that could totally reshape investment priorities and platform strategies in the next few years. It signals a much more inclusive and diverse investor landscape, which is fantastic to see.
And finally, let's do a quick lightning round of other key headlines. Relendex just took home a major award in the UK. Moglik is expanding into the massive German market. Crowd Property is strengthening its sales team with a key hire, and Tessin has made a strategic move with its stock listing to cut costs. Each one of these points to an industry that is dynamic, competitive, and always evolving.
So, there you have it. We've covered immediate bonuses to boost your returns, incredible high-yield projects hitting as high as 24%, and platforms that are growing stronger and more innovative every single day. The only question left is, which of these amazing opportunities are you going to explore first? Thanks for tuning in.